Okay, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Crypto Bliss, and on this channel, we talk about everything that has to do with cryptocurrency, ranging from market analysis, NFTs, Web 3.0, DeFi, Metaverse, and anything crypto related. So, today we are going to do a proper breakdown of BTC USDT. Where is Bitcoin heading? Are we bullish? Are we bearish? So, right now, I am on the Bitcoin daily time frame. I'm on the Bitcoin daily time frame, and we are going to do a top-down analysis on Bitcoin now, starting from the daily time frame. Now, looking at it, we can get this trend right here. From this point to this point, I can see this trend. Okay, first of all, we'll identify market structure before this trend. So let's identify the market structure. You can see that Bitcoin has been in this overall downtrend here, but has started trending up, countering the trend, even though it can't break these highs. So let's say Bitcoin is stuck in a range after this downtrend, like this. This is Bitcoin is stuck in a range after this downtrend. So we are looking for a break out of this range or a break below this range. A break below this range. So like I said, now we identify this little trend line going on here. We can see that this is a point that Bitcoin has refused to break. Let's just mark that piece out. Yes, we can see that this is a zone that Bitcoin has refused to break. It has tested this zone multiple times. And when I mean multiple times, I mean 1, 2, 3, even 4 here. So this is a resistance that Bitcoin is difficult for Bitcoin to break. So it's a resistance that we should take note of. Now, what again? Not again. We've drawn our resistance, we've drawn our trend line. Let's zoom in a little bit to see what Bitcoin is doing. Okay, Bitcoin has been falling for quite some time now. We all know that, and we all want to know the direction Bitcoin is going. As you can see now, we have this downtrend here, which is now consolidating. So let me see the overall market. Let me see the overall market analysis. Okay, there's a support here. We also have another major support level. Okay, that I think that is just all on the daily time frame. Let's move over to the 4-hour time frame to see if we'll get more information. Okay, so like I said, on the 4-hour time frame, we're breaking previous lows and making new lows. As we can, sorry, let me bring my zoom. As you can see here, we're breaking new lows and we're making new lows. As you can see now, so we are breaking lows, making new lows, breaking previous lows, making new lows. So definitely we're in a downtrend now. We're in a downtrend. I can even draw a trend line safe to connote this. Let me just draw, see if I can get a trend line to connote this. Okay, our trend line, let me make it dotted line so that we don't get confused. Yeah, it's not that perfect, but it's also a downtrend. So I think for me, Bitcoin will still have to touch this major trend line here, this major big trend line here. Even if it's with just weeks, Bitcoin will still have to touch this major trend line here before any bullish momentum can come in. So now we're looking for a good place to take entry and how to enter. We all know we're in a downtrend now, and Bitcoin is consolidating at the highs. Bitcoin is consolidating at the highs of this dotted trend line. So what we will have to do is to wait for previous low as usual to get broken, and my previous low will be here. And why did I make here my previous low. Let's change that to red. I made here my previous low because this is the low last low I can see, and on the MACD too is also red. Remember in our last video we talked about MACD and how you can use MACD to validate your lows and highs if in any time you are confused. So this is a valid low that I will be watching for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin can do something like this. Bitcoin can do something like this, break this low, come to retest it and still come down. It could still do something like this, or it could still just push down and push up because I'm 80% confident that it should touch this black, our major black daily trend line time frame. So let's move over to the 1 hour time frame to see if we'll still get more information about Bitcoin. Okay. Now in the 1 hour time frame, we can still see that this place too is still an area that price is refusing to break below ever since it started this downtrend, this 4 hour downtrend here. That's these dotted lines. Ever since it started this dotted line, it hasn't broken across this dotted line, but for some time now it has refused to break this area. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is an area we should pay attention to because Bitcoin has refused to break this area. Now what I will do is I will wait because price will always be price, but I'm bearish on Bitcoin right now. So I will definitely wait for it to probably break this place that it has been retesting since, then liquidity before heading grab some liquidity before heading down to the final target, which is this major trend line, major daily trend line. This is it before going up. This is my own bias on Bitcoin as of today. But Bitcoin could still do something like this. It could still break above this. It could still break above this previous high. It could still break above this previous high and now start giving us bullish momentum. So all we have to do is react to the way the market is. Like I always say, don't chase the market. It could still break this high and come down here to take liquidity before heading up. Target, we'll be looking at target at this major resistance. But for now, I'm bearish on Bitcoin. Until Bitcoin can break this resistance, until Bitcoin can break this 45k area to 47k area resistance, I'm still bearish on Bitcoin because the overall trend is still looking bearish. So please, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified anytime we make a new video. This might seem like nothing to you, but it's going to help me out a lot as I've just started. So I'm trying to grow my channel. Support me, please. Thank you. So like we were saying before, so Bitcoin could still break here. It could still do something like this. It could still do something like this, or it could still do something like this. So we just have to react to the way the market will move. We are not chasing the market. All we have to do is wait for a reaction. So now let's recap all we did. We started from the daily time frame, finding our trend on the daily time frame, and we saw that Bitcoin has been in this overall downtrend here. Bitcoin has been in this overall downtrend, and we can just see that it has been moving sideways ever since within this space. Let's not say that is an uptrend, let's just say that sideways ever since this is because it has refused to break this resistance zone. So we spotted all those major key levels. We spotted our resistance zone, we spotted this our major daily time frame trend line, and we spotted this support over here and this resistance over here, which are not really that important now. Then we also went down to the 4 hour time frame. As we went to the 4 hour time frame, there we spotted a minor trend line going down, and we were like, okay, that means it's confirmed Bitcoin is in a bearish move. All we have to do is to wait for previous lows to get broken so that we can enter at pullback and have a nice risk to reward ratio. So we also went down to the 1 hour time frame, and there we saw that Bitcoin has been struggling with breaking this particular support area. Anytime it switches it bounces back, anytime it switches it bounces back. So we concluded that we should wait for Bitcoin to break this low, grab some liquidity and head back down. Or because Bitcoin now is trading at the top of this dotted line and is consolidating heavily at that part. Or Bitcoin could also still break the trend line, and if you break the trend line, we should wait for a pullback so that we can enter and have a very good risk reward ratio before heading up. And we mentioned that targets will be the previous resistance, that which is this resistance area that Bitcoin has refused to break ever since, for quite some time now. So that is all about Bitcoin price prediction today. Thank you for watching me. Stay tuned for more price action analysis like this. My name remains Crypto Blaze, your humble servant. Thank you very much.